Views continue to dominate the debate over climate change in the U.S. Now scientists are turning to technology to counter global warming. Harvard researchers are launching the world's biggest solar geoengineering study aimed at deliberately altering the planet's temperature. RT's Marina Portnaya brings us the details.
Countless scientists have described climate change as the greatest environmental threat our planet has ever faced. While solar panels and capping greenhouse emissions are two solutions for countering global warming, scientists are testing out a riskier technique known as solar radiation management. Harvard scientists are preparing small-scale atmospheric experiments to establish whether geoengineering can successfully halt climate change. Researchers believe that spraying certain types of particles into the stratosphere could help reflect more heat back into space. Researchers say large volcanic eruptions in the past have blasted tens of millions of tons of sulfur dioxide into the sky, causing the atmosphere to cool. Now, scientists say they'll test out their theory by launching a high-altitude balloon tethered to a gondola equipped with propellers and sensors. The geoengineering test will be carried out sometime next year with water particles. Subsequent experiments would include seeding the sky with sulfur dioxide, alumina, or calcium carbonate. Geoengineering advocates believe the planet could be covered with a solar shield for as little as $10 billion a year. But they stress a solar tech fix should be viewed as a complement, not substitute, for aggressively reducing emissions. Some critics view solar engineering with alarm, fearing the potential for unintended consequences. Even Harvard researchers acknowledge risks associated with natural alterations to the Earth's radiation balance, such as potentially depleting the ozone and changing the temperature of the stratosphere. But supporters insist that solar geoengineering should be researched because the alternative would be allowing climate change to proceed without a plan B. Now, as climate scientists underscore a growing sense of urgency, America's new leader is moving in the opposite direction. This week, President Donald Trump is expected to sign an executive order reportedly rolling back limits on greenhouse gas emissions from power plants, as well as scrapping federal guidelines instructing agencies to factor climate change into policy making. Reporting from Miami, Marina Portnaya, RT.